Okay, in this video, we are going to be doing some reducing of fractions. So reducing fractions means making the fractions a little bit smaller. Not the value of the fraction, but just the numbers that we use. So the goal for reducing a fraction is to write the fraction in a different way, but using smaller numbers. So I'll show you how we do that. And there's a couple different problem types, as usual. So let's do the example 3 over 12. Let's say that we want to reduce this fraction. Now, the question actually will have the word reducing in it. So if you see the word reducing, this is what I'm asking you to do. So if I'm asked to reduce this fraction, well, the first thing that I ask is I say, okay, let's take a look at the numerator and say, does it go into the denominator? Well, I think it does. So I think that 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So that means that 3 goes into 12. So what I do then is I don't really worry too much about that 4 yet, but you'll see it does come up. But we kind of forget about the 4. We really just want to know, does 3 go into 12? If it does, well, I'm going to divide the numerator by 3, and I'm going to divide the denominator by 3. And what I get is the following. I'm going to get, well, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Perfect. And we're done. So you can see that 3/12 is the same as 1/4, the same fraction, because I divided the numerator and the denominator by the same thing, but I use smaller numbers. So that's the purpose of reducing fractions. Let's try another example. Oops. Get out of here. I want to get out of here. There we go. Okay. Let's try, one more. Let's do something like this. Let's do 7 over 21. Okay. So if I am asked to reduce 7 over 21, well, I'm going to ask myself, does 7 go into 21? Well, yeah, 7 times 3 is equal to 21. So yeah, 7 does go into 21. So if 7 goes into 21, I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 7. When I do that, I get 7 divided by 7, which is 1, and 21 divided by 7, which is 3. And I'm done. That fraction is reduced. So good luck with page 3. I'll be back with more information on page 4. Good luck.